Hola mi familia, ¿cómo están? Hopefully everybody is doing amazing and welcome back to mi canal. So today I'm going to be showing y'all this eye look that I did right here. Hopefully it's something easy and something y'all are able to achieve. When I do this video, I am going to go ahead and do this eye off camera, and I'm going to do this one on camera with y'all just to show y'all the way we're trying to achieve the eye look. I think I like it that way. It's just really nice for you to see step by step of the way it's going to look. Also, for those that don't know me, my name is Veronica. Welcome to my channel. Hopefully you all like this look, and if you all do, please thumbs up. If you don't, I am sorry. That's just the way that I do it. That's the way that I like it. If you all don't, sorry, but that's me. So yeah, guys, so if y'all want to see this eye look, well, let's go ahead and keep on watching, and welcome back. Okay, guys, so we're going to go ahead and start so we can do whatever we did on this side, and I'm going to go with my Wet n Wild tapered fluffy brush. I am going to go ahead and use the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. Yeah, it's very dirty because I use it. And I'm going to go ahead and go in with this one's right here. These two for the transition color. So I'll just apply a little bit on my brush, and then I'm going to go ahead and, of course, circular motion and go all the way across. And really just all I do is just all the way like that. So next I am going to go in with my Morphe M514 brush, and I'm going to go in with these two right here, and I'm just going to apply both of them, mixture of both, and I'm going to go ahead and do the same, except I'm going to go a little bit more in. Okay, so then after that, I am going to add a little bit of the brown, but I don't have a lot, so I'm really just kind of getting just a dab of that and applying it right in the corner just to kind of darken it, and then kind of spreading it out because I'm not trying to go black all the way around. So in the corner, and then just kind of in and out, if that makes sense. Okay, then after that, just because I do want to darken it, hold up, sorry. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just going in for the black, like the darkest one in the palette, and that one I'm getting a little bit and doing the same thing to darken it. Just a little bit right there. Okay, just like that. So now I'm going to go in with my You Spicy Amazon brush, and I'm just going to wet it just with water. Ooh. Just with some water right there. And I'm going to go in with, I think it's called, can't see it, upside down, this one right here. I'm just going to apply some right there to my brush, and going to apply it. So I'm using this one as I would have kind of cut crease, you know, doing a cut crease. So I am going a little bit more up, and then just applying it to my eyelid. Just like that. See? So then I'm going to go back in with my Morphe brush. I'm not adding any more product on it or anything like that. I'm just kind of a little bit just doing this just to kind of blend the two colors kind of together. And it's better to go ahead and do it right now when it's kind of wet, and it kind of does it better, if that makes sense. Okay, voila, we're done. Just kidding. So now we're going to go in with my Rimmel London liquid liner. Ooh. And on this one, we're just going to go ahead and apply the same way we do any other liner. And all the way across. Next, I am going to go in with my ColourPop. This one is called Creeper. It is so pretty. It is so bright red. It doesn't look like that, but that's what I am using on my eyes. So y'all just got to be careful. And this right here is just a You Spicy from Amazon. It's a brush set that I got there. And I am going to get a little bit of what's on the tip. And I'm going to use this little thing as a liner. So I'm going to do the bottom part first because I do want to go ahead and start that before I do the top, part. And what I'm going to do is just get it from right here and draw it out. Like that. And then get a little bit more and draw it in. This one dries so fast, so you literally have to be applying quite a bit at a time. And then what I'm doing, I'm going all the way across. Sorry, somebody's mowing my yard. Just like that. Okay, so then we're gonna go up to the part up here. So you're kinda gonna do it on the part where we kind of cut it. So I don't want to go all the way from the inside. So around right here. And then just kind of follow it. Because you don't want it right where your crease is, see? So if I bend my crease, it's not right on my crease. You don't want it there because you want it to show when your eye is kind of open. So and then this just kind of looks like your eye is a little bit more, even though it's smaller. Hey guys, I'm gonna go ahead and apply all my face foundation, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back now. I did go ahead and apply my eyelash because I did have it on this side, did not have it on this side, but it is the Eyelure, the 126. I always use these. These are one of my top favorite. And also, I went ahead and I don't know if I told y'all, I did apply a little bit of this eyeshadow on the bottom of my eyes because I did have it on this side, did not have it on this side. And so that way it looks more, perfect. Also, the lip color that I'm using, it is the Creeper, the one from ColourPop we used on the eyes. And went ahead and did all my foundation and a highlight, of course. So yeah, guys, that's the final look. Hopefully you all liked it. Hopefully it looks easy. Hopefully, you're able to achieve it and probably add a different color. That would be awesome. Blue, maybe, blue lipstick. I think that would be really cool. But anyways, guys, thank you all so much for watching. You all be good. You all take care. Mwah. Besos, mi amigos. Adios.